Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert GGives to CIMB Bank. Alright, let's begin. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Once inside, tap on View More Services to access additional features. This section contains various financial services, including borrowing and lending options. Next, scroll down until you find the Borrow section, then tap on Borrow. Here, you will see different options related to loans and financing. Select Gives, which allows installment-based payments, and from the menu, choose Convert to CIMB Bank. Now, enter the amount you want to convert. Make sure to double-check that the amount does not exceed your available balance. After entering the desired amount, select your CIMB Bank account as the destination for the transfer. Before proceeding, review all the details carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything is correct, tap Submit. The system will process your request, and within a short period, the amount will be transferred to your CIMB Bank account. So that's basically how you can convert GGives to CIMB Bank. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.